Good morning, everyone.
Yes, Divita.
मैं एक
Yes.
गर्ल थी, उसका नाम चूचू था और वो स्कूल जाती थी। तो जब वो आती थी तो उसके बॉक्स खाली होते थे। एक दिन उसकी मम्मा वो स्कूल गई। फिर जब वो घर आई तो उसकी मम्मा ने उससे कहा, प्लीज गिव मी योर बॉक्स। तो चूचू ने अपना बॉक्स दिया। तो फिर चूचू ने अपना बॉक्स दिया
खाली था।
तो उसकी मम्मा ने जब बॉक्स ओपन करके देखा तो बॉक्स खाली था। और फिर एक दिन उसकी मदर ऑर्फनेज ले गई। चूचू अपने लिए कैंडीज ले रही थी और चूचू की मदर उसके लिए पेंसिल और इरेजर और शार्पनर ले रही थी और थोड़ी सी कैंडीज ली।
Yes.
फिर वो फिनिश से चले गए अब उसकी दादी के घर। तो दादी के घर जो बच्चे थे, जो किड्स थे, उनके पास पेंसिल स्मॉल थी और टूटा इरेजर और टूटा शार्पनर। तो फिर जब बॉक्स चूचू को एक वो बॉक्स में छोटी पेंसिल और टूटा इरेजर और टूटा शार्पनर था। तो चूचू की आंख से आंसू आने लगे। तो फिर उसके फ्रेंड्स ने कहा, चूचू तुम क्यों रो रही हो? तो वो अपनी मदर के पास गई और फिर उस चूचू ने मदर से कहा कि इनके पास टूटा इरेजर, टूटा शार्पनर और छोटी पेंसिल है। तो मदर ने उसको एक पैच दिया पेंसिल का। तो फिर उस पैच से चीकू ने सबको पेंसिल दी। खत्म।
So, Devita, what you learned from the story?
मॉडल बताओ।
कि हमें अपनी पेंसिल, इरेजर, शार्पनर स्कूल में नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए।
Okay. And one more thing, we should take care of our all the belongings, not only pencil eraser. रखना चाहिए, okay? अपनी सारी चीजों का ध्यान toys, books, everything. We should take care of all the belongings. Yes.
और अपनी सारी चीजों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए।
Okay. Yes. Who else wants to tell me about it? Where is Arsh, Heenal? Amarat, will you tell me about the story? Or Arsh? Yes, Harsh.
Good
Have
morning.
you? Good morning, Harsh.
Once.
Yes.
My name is Arjot. My name is Arjot. Nagi, I study in Sapling 2. Today I am going to speak about myself. About my story. A story is चूचू अपना सामान खो देती है. Once upon एक दिन की बात होती है. एक होती है चूचू जो अपना सामान रोज खो देती है. रोज उसकी
Okay.
मम्मा उसको एक पेंसिल्स अरेजर्स देती है. जब उसकी मम्मा उसको एक दिन वो अपनी पेंसिल इरेजर स्कूल में छोड़ के घर आ जाती. उसको नहीं पता था कि उसने अपनी पेंसिल इरेजर कहाँ रखी है. फिर एक दिन उसकी मम्मा ने कहा था अपना पेंसिल बॉक्स अपने बैग में निकाल के दिखा. तो उसकी मम्मा तो जीकू ने अपना पेंसिल बॉक्स उसकी मम्मा को निकाल के दिखा ना. देखती है तो उसने पेंसिल बॉक्स तो खाली होता है. फिर उसकी मम्मा ना उसको 2 पेंसिल्स, 2 इरेजर्स और 2 शार्पनर्स देती हैं. जब वो स्कूल जाती है ना फिर से उसकी मम्मा कहती है अपना बॉक्स दिखा. फिर से वो अपनी पेंसिल और इरेजर खो देती है. फिर वो टॉयलेट जाती है. जब वो टॉयलेट से बाहर निकलती है तो उसने अपने जूते पहने होते हैं. वो ना गाड़ी में बैठ जाती है. गाड़ी में बैठने के बाद वो चल पड़ती है स्टोर पे. जब वो स्टोर पे जाती है तो उसने कुछ अपने के लिए कैंडीज ली होती है, चॉकलेट्स ली होती हैं. उसकी मम्मी कहती है सिर्फ तुम्हें एक चॉकलेट मिलेगी और कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. तो फिर वो स्टोर पे चली गई. उसने अपने लिए कुछ चॉकलेट्स ढूंढी, कुछ कैंडीज ढूंढी. तो उसकी मम्मा ना कुछ पेंसिल्स, कुछ शार्पनर्स, कुछ कैंडीज ढूंढ रही थी. तो फिर
लेकर कहाँ जाती है?
वो लेकर एक मैदान के पास जाती है. जब उस मैदान में एक आंटी होती है और वो कहती है बच्चों मिस्टर चार्ली आपसे मिलने आई हैं. तो फिर सारे बच्चे खड़े हो जाते हैं. तो वो कहते हैं गुड आफ्टरनून मिस्टर चार्ली. तो मिस्टर चार्ली कहती है गुड इवनिंग बच्चों. तो फिर ना चूचू को ना वो चीकू की मम्मी चूचू की मम्मी कहती है कि ये है मेरी बेटू, ये है मेरी बेटू, ये है मेरी बेटी चूचू चाहती है
उनको पेंसिल और रबर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करती है.
वो ना उनको ना टूटी हुई इरेजर, टूटी हुई पेंसिल, टूटा हुआ शार्पनर दे देती है सारी कुड़ियां. फिर ना जब ना वो अपनी मम्मी की कान में बताती है कि इनके पास तो टूटी हुई शार्पनर, टूटा हुआ इरेजर, टूटी हुई पेंसिल है. वो सैड हो जाती है. फिर उसकी मम्मी उसके लिए न्यू शार्पनर देते हैं और न्यू पेंसिल. तो उसकी मम्मी ना उसको न्यू पेंसिल का एक पैकेट दे देती है. तो वो सारी पेंसिल्स अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करती है. कोई वेल बनाता है, कोई फ्लावर बनाता है, कोई बोट बनाता है, कोई बिल्ली बनाता है, कोई कुत्ता बनाता है. ये सब बनाते हैं लोग. फिर जाने का वक्त हो जाता है. वो सारी पेंसिल और अपने दोस्तों के साथ ले लेती है, कागज भी ले लेती है. फिर चल जाती है घर. फिर वो कल से अपना सामान कभी नहीं खोती है. मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी कभी भी अपना सामान नहीं खोना चाहिए.
Very nice. Very good, Harsh. Very good. Very good. Yes. So today's story is what was the lesson for today's story? कि we should take care of our belongings. Now quickly give me a thumbs up कि आप अपने सब थिंग का आप टेक केयर करोगे, सब अच्छे से रखोगे. गिव मी अ थम्स अप, प्रॉमिस करो. गुड. देविता, नव्या, आकिब, Arsh, done. Sara also done. Hinal also done. Mantesh, you will not take care. Okay, Mana, done. Good. अब तो मैंने मान लिया कि you going to take care of your all the things. Okay. जब स्कूल रीओपन होंगे तो किसी की कंप्लेंट्स नहीं आनी चाहिए कि आज इसने ये लॉस किया, आज इसने वो. ओके. Now everyone will meet after 10 minutes.
Now you can start. Good morning.
अगर मैं गुड मॉर्निंग बोलो अगम गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning, Sara. Good morning, Sara.
Let's start our Hindi class now. Everyone.
Yes, everyone. This is our Hindi class.
Quickly give me thumbs up. Then we'll start the class.
Mantesh, Arshut, are you there?
Okay, everyone. Now what we will do? आपको जो मैम स्वर बताएंगी आपको उसका नेक्स्ट स्वर राइट करना है. ओके. Okay, everyone. But before that, let's see a video.
Like
What we will do. Okay.
Okay.
Gitanjali ma'am, is screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Info bell. Info bells.
अ से अनार, आ से आम, होते हैं सब मिलकर काम. ई से इमली, ई से ईख, अच्छी 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 बातें सीख। ऊ से उल्लू, ऊ से ऊंट, एक एक कर भर लो घूंट। ए से एड़ी, ए से ऐनक, भाग रहे दुश्मन के सैनक। ओ से ओखली, औ से औजार, फले फूले सारा संसार। अम से अंगूर, आह से खाली, उतना खाओ जितनी थाली।
Okay, everyone. So you seen the video? You saw the video, na? Do you remember in the last class Hindi's last class, what we did? मैम ने आपको एक पिक्चर दिखाई थी. Then मैम has told you to circle the अगला स्वर. हमने बोला था ना अगले स्वर पर गोला लगाओ. आज आप क्या करोगे? आज आपको गोला नहीं लगाना. आज आपको सर्कल नहीं करना. What you have to do? You have to write.
Yes.
Okay.
Today we will write the next swar.
Notebook. So you ready with the notebook? Give me a thumbs up if you are ready with your notebook. Good, Navya is ready.
Yes, everyone be ready with your notebook. You will write the answer in the notebook, okay?
Are you able to see the whiteboard? Ash, are you ready with your notebook? See and tell me what comes after this. E के बाद अगला स्वर कौन सा होता है? Who knows? Who want to give me the answer? Give me a thumbs up. Yes, Heenal.
बोलो इमली के बाद क्या आता है बेटा? ये देखो इसके बाद
But you have to write. You have to write like आकिब जैसे मैम ने ई लिखा है तो ई के बाद क्या आता है? आपको वो लिखना है नोटबुक में. Yes, Heenal. Now tell me.
ये देखो इसके बाद अभी बोल रहे थे ना, बोलो.
Arnav has done.
Sarah has also done good. Sarah.
Good, Sarah.
Yes, yes. Heenal, little louder.
Speak louder.
Okay. Have you written in your notebook?
She's writing, ma'am.
Okay. Arnav has done good. Amanat, have you done? Arsh done?
Yes, ma'am, she has done.
Okay. Divita, are you there? So I'm going to write the next swear, okay? Navya is also done.
Very good, Hinal. Navya is
Who
also
will
done.
tell me what comes after this?
This is very easy.
Yes, Navya.
बताइए बेटा क्या आता है एक के बाद
Good, Navya.
अलग
Very good. Now everybody got to know the answer now? Now write it down fast. Done, everyone? Okay, I'm writing the next verse. See? Who will tell me what comes after it? Yes, Sarah.
मैम बड़ा ऊन मैम बड़ा ऊन ऊन नहीं बड़ा
बड़ा
बड़ा उसे ऊन
Yes. Oo say oon. Okay, good, Sarah. She has written also. Okay, good.
Yes, very nice, Sarah.
Ustat has just joined now. Good morning, Ustat. Ustat, what you have to do? See, ma'am, बोर्ड पे स्वर राइट कर रही हैं, आपको उसका अगला स्वर लिखना है, ठीक है? इन योर नोटबुक.
Yes.
I hope सबने राइट कर लिया.
Very good,
Everyone,
Navya.
have you done?
Navya is also done. Arnav, you show what you have written. Hinal done. Hinal has done. Very good. Heenan has done. Arnav, have you done? Okay, Ryan has. Ryan, show.
Okay, now I'm writing the next, okay?
This is very easy.
Who will tell me now?
Kirtan.
Yes, very easy. Look at Arnav, ma'am. Where is he?
I don't know what Arnav
Yes,
is doing.
Divita. Where are you, Divita? Yes, Divita.
Ustad is also writing very nice.
Yes, Divita, tell me the answer.
E से इमली.
Yes, good. Good.
Very good,
Divita.
Divita.
Amanat has written the answer also. Arshu, done?
Okay.
Show. Okay. Very nice.
Ashut has done. ये तो बहुत इजी था, सबने कर लिया जल्दी से, right? Now the next one is
Good, Arnav.
this one is also easy.
Okay. What comes after this? ये तो बहुत easy है.
Who will give the answer? Nav.
Yes, Arnav.
बोलो बोलो हाँ बोलो.
खाली.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Have you done in your notebook, Arnav? Okay, he's writing.
ये नहीं, मेरे को लाओ, मैं बताऊँ आपको कौन सी मेरी बीपी की टैबलेट. मैम पूछ रही कि अगर अर्नव आपने कर लिया, बोलो यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Arnav.
Evelyn has done.
Yes, she is done. But Evelyn, what you have written the last word? Show me.
I guess she's just writing the same from the board.
Yes, yeah. Evelyn, आपको पता है क्या राइट करना है? Like ma'am has written E. E से इमली लिखा है ना, तो आपको क्या राइट करना है? E से इमली के बाद क्या आता है? E से ईक. Okay, Evelyn. I'll write the next one, ma'am.
राइट करना है. Heenal done?
Okay, see, I'm writing the next now.
Very nice, Heenal. Good. वेरी गुड उस्ताद. उस्ताद आपने आई से आइनक की मात्रा प्रॉपर्ली नहीं लगाई है. डू इट करेक्ट. Who is writing this? Okay, Akib is writing.
See, I've written the next one. I say Ainak. Who will tell me what comes after I say Ainak? Ustad, you.
दसो
Yes,
मैम
Ustad, what comes?
दसो
I say Ainak के बाद क्या आता है Ustad?
ऊ से
ओ से बच्चे
ओ से खली.
Yes.
Very good. Sarah, have you done?
Devita has done. Arnav. Everyone, have you done?
Ashwar has also done.
Very good, Hinal, Ustad, Amanat, Sara. Everyone has done. Arsh done?
Yes, done, ma'am.
Okay.
So now I'm writing the next one. Yes.
Okay.
What comes after this? Rayan? Rayan will give the answer now. Yes, Rayan?
Ryan, give the answer.
I'm not able to answer. Rayan, what comes after?
होता ए. होता है.
Yeah. Yes, A. Good. A से क्या उत्तर है? A से?
Yes, Ryan, tell.
Hinal has done. Very good. Very good, Hinal.
Yes. Good, Hinal. Amanat.
Amana, try to write in a proper formation.
Yeah. Write it nicely.
See, ma'am, how ma'am has written A. Okay, now the last one only. After that, get your notebook checked, okay?
Okay. This is also
This is
very easy.
Who is going to give me the answer for this?
Let's ask from Akib.
Yes, Akib.
उसके बाद क्या आएगा?
क्या
बताओ जल्दी, स्पीक लाउडली।
इसके बाद
और से
औरत
स्पीक लाउडली।
औरत
और से औरत पूरा बोलो।
औरत
औ से औरत. Okay, good, Akib. Everyone has done now?
Almost everyone is done.
Done.
Now,
So, ask Mama to check your notebook.
yeah, get it checked by your mama. Let's see.
I'm gonna ask to Didi. She will check.
Let's see who has done very nicely.
Yes.
Devita, where is your mama?
She's there only, I think.
Okay.
Ryan has also done. Ryan, get it. Oh, Arnav got very good star. Very nice, Arnav. Good, Arnav. Ustad, ask your mama to check your notebook, bacha.
Very good, Arsh. And Ustad, what Ustad has got? Very good, Ustad. Good.
Ash, have you done?
Ryan.
Very nice, Ryan. Ash.
Yes. Arshad has also
Okay,
got
very good. Okay, good, Ash.
good, Navya. She has also got many thanks.
Yes, very nice, Navya.
Keenal, what you have got? Let me see.
Yes. Yes. Okay, ice cream, so many stars. One more thing is there. I'm not able to. The smiley. Okay. Devita, what you got?
Very good. How? Strawberry.
Sarah.
Very happy today.
Sarah has also got so many things.
Today you're
I'm
looking
not able to see it properly.
Gitanjali ma'am.
Good. Okay, Devita got good. Yes, ma'am.
Today Hinal's outfit is also like a strawberry only. Having seeds outside.
Still, I can't see you. I am not. Okay.
Little bit.
Akib, get your notebook check.
Very nice, everyone. Evelyn, where is Evelyn?
Ash wants to ask something. Yes, Ash.
मैम नुपुर मैम कब आएंगी?
आएंगी अभी तो कल सुनीता मैम आए थे ना, अब नुपुर मैम को भी जल्दी से बुला लेंगे. ओके
ओके मैम.
ठीक है, वो भी एक सरप्राइज होगा ना, तो
बहुत मिस करती हूँ।
ओके. So have you not talked with her on the phone call?
मैम, यस मैम, मैंने फोन में ना वीडियो कॉल की थी, वीडियो कॉल. मुझे ना
Gitanjali ma'am, we know everything,
ma'am.
how to do audio call, how to do video call, how to send messages randomly. Everything she knows.
Okay.
बाय बाय मैम, बाय बाय, टाटा, सी यू.
So everyone has done their work. Notebook is also checked. Let's wind up this session, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll meet after 20 minutes.
Okay, everyone. We'll meet after 20 minutes now. Okay. Bye, everyone. And you are
Bye-bye.
very nicely. Very good.
Yeah. This is for everyone and this one also. Very good.
Good morning once again, everyone. Good morning, Amya. Joined for the very first session. Evelyn, Ake, Barshchot, Navya, Divita. You can join now.
Yes.
मैम खुल के बाहर मुझे नहीं लगती थी. नहीं
इधर होगा ब्रह्माड़ी तू पर आ इब्राहिम. So let's start, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
What Arshut? What you are doing, Arsh? Playing with your dollhouse? Yeah. Speak now.
मैम, what are you doing? मैम, मैं अपने डॉल हाउस से खेल रही हूँ.
Okay. Where is your doll?
मैम,
Where is your dollar?
मैम वो तो घर के अंदर ही है, घर के अंदर है.
Okay, everyone. Now, this is our maths class.
Yes, ma'am.
So, can you tell what we are going to do in this class? Is Arsh dancing?
Yes.
Arsh, this is our dance class. Okay, now. So, what we will do today, ma'am has one task for you that you all have to do. ठीक है? आपके लिए एक एक्टिविटी है जो आप सबको करनी है. Okay? It is related to the shapes. ठीक है? My voice is audible, everyone?
You know about shapes now? Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You all know the recognition. आपको पता है ना कौन कौन सी shapes होती हैं? That we have done in our class also. उससे related आज एक activity करेंगे हम लोग. Fine. But before that, let's see one video. After that, we will start our activity. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Can see us. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. I'm a square, I'm a square. You can see me everywhere. I have 4 sides. I'm a square, I'm a square. I'm a circle, I'm a circle. I go round and round and round. I have no start, I have no end. I'm a circle round and round. I'm a triangle, triangle. I'm a pointy little shape. I have 3 sides. I'm a triangle, triangle. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. I'm a rectangle, rectangle, like a really long square. I have 4 sides. I'm a rectangle, rectangle. I'm a star in the sky, so, so far. I have 5 pointy arms. I'm a star, I'm a star. I'm a heart, I'm a heart. I'm so curvy and so smart. I'm a really lovely shape. I'm a heart, I'm a heart. I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond. You can see me on a ring. I'm so shiny and so bright. I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. We are shapes.
Okay, so our activity is related to the shapes. You all like the video?
Shapes.
Give me thumbs up if you all like the video.
They all forget, ma'am, how to give a thumbs up.
Amya, I'm not receiving your thumbs up. Priyan, you know na how to do thumbs up?
Iskat, are you there?
Okay, if you don't know how to do digitally, you can do like this also. So everyone, be ready with the pencil, eraser and notebook.
Yeah.
If you don't have, then you can bring pencil, eraser, notebook. Everyone is having. Arsh, where is your notebook? Okay, she's having.
See everyone, Sheenu ma'am is going to share that sheet. वो जो activity आपको करनी है. Sheenu ma'am, please share it once.
Everyone, are you all able to see the screen? See, we are having 5 shapes. Okay. The first one is square. Second one is circle. Third one is star. Fourth one is triangle. And fifth one is heart. First, you have to draw these 5 shapes. Can you all draw?
Yes. Do one thing. Yeah. Draw all these 5 shapes in your notebook.
Yeah. One by one.
Can you draw a square? First, draw a square, everyone.
Yes. Try to draw.
Small square, okay?
Yeah. Try to draw a square.
Done? Now, under the square, draw a circle. Line wise, you have to draw, okay? First, draw a square.
Very good, Divita. She's drawing with the help of scale.
Small square.
Yeah. Good, Akib. Now, under square, you can draw the another shape. Circle. Small circle.
Yeah, circle. Ashut has done. Ashut, have you done circle also? Have you drawn a circle also, Ash? Now, under circle, draw a star. If you're not able to draw a star, so you can ask your mama to draw it for you. Done with the star. Now draw a triangle. Good. Here. After drawing all this,
Very good. Agam has drawn. Agam, you have drawn this or someone else has drawn? Quickly give thumbs up if you all have drawn the 5 shapes. Okay, Sarah has drawn, Amya has drawn. Complete 5 shapes. Who else has done? Akib has also drawn. Arshjot. Okay. Amya. Good. Now let's start the activity, everyone. Okay, so everyone, now we have drawn the picture. First shape is of square, right? Can you see the shapes that are being drawn? Many shapes are drawn here. Can you see everyone? Now you have to count the number of squares कि कितने squares हैं, and then you have to write. We have 2 squares, तो हम 2 लिखेंगे, ठीक है? Count करना है without your parents' help. आपको counting भी आती है, right? Start counting and write the number. First shape is of square. Who has done? If done, quickly give me thumbs up. Let's ask the answer from. Yes, Amya.
Say yes, ma'am. Ma'am is saying.
Amya, my voice is audible. Amya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, Amya, give the answer. How many squares are there total?
How many squares?
See, you have wear that t-shirt only. The color of square in this worksheet is also sky blue.
आंसर करो ना जो काउंट करी हो. Say loudly.
7. Okay,
Very
let's
good.
check the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Okay, very good, Amya. Very nice.
Good.
Now, the next shape is circle. Count the number of circles and write the answer. See quickly who will give the thumbs up. To that only we will ask. Sarah, you did thumbs up. That means you have done.
वहाँ बताओ सर्किल कितने बताओ.
Yes, Sarah.
Man is circle, a 7 triangle, 12, 7, star, 6,
Sarah.
triangle, 6, or half, 5.
Loudly, Sarah.
Man.
Yes. Yes, Sarah.
Man.
हाँ जी सारा बोलो. Speak.
Square, 7, star.
Okay. Then. Yes, Devita.
Square, 7.
Only you have to give the answer of circle, Devita.
Circle बताओ बेटा.
Only circle.
8.
Okay, very good. We have 8 circles.
Good, Devita.
Now the next shape is star. Count the number of stars and write it.
Who is going to
Yes.
count?
Naya, start में
Yes, Arch.
स्टार 6 बोलो
स्टार 6
मैम बोल
कितनी बार बताऊं मैं आपको स्टार 6
हाँ?
6 मैक्स 6
6. Okay. Good. The next shape is triangle. Yes, Navya.
चलो काउंट करो
1 2 3 4 5 6
बताइए मैम
No?
कितने
6
Yes, we have total number of triangles 6. Now the last shape is heart.
heart
Who will be giving the answer?
6 ना
Heenal.
Yes, Heenal.
चलो हार्ट काउंट करो
अरे अरे 1 2 3 4 5
गुड 5
Louder.
1 7
नहीं, heart shape only.
5
Only heart.
5 heart
How many?
She is
Little
saying 5.
louder. Okay.
Okay, good,
Yes.
Heenal.
Good, Heenal.
Gitanjali ma'am, just 1 minute. I am sharing the another worksheet also.
Okay.
Okay, everyone, be ready. Just 1 minute.
Everyone has written in your notebook this number of these shapes. Oh, Akib is coloring. Good, Akib. Savita's also
Now
doing coloring.
everyone,
Good,
be
good.
ready for the next worksheet. Is it visible?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. But not clear. Yeah, it's visible, ma'am.
It's not clear?
Visible. Yes, ma'am. It's clear now.
Okay. So here also we are having 4 shapes: square, circle, triangle and rectangle. Okay. Now one by one, those who have not got the chance, from those I will ask. Okay. So the first shape is square. Okay. Now in this picture, how many squares are there in the complete picture?
This one is little tricky, I know, but you can do it.
Yeah. And let's give this chance to Akib.
Akib,
Akib, count the number of squares which are there in the picture.
कितने थे काउंट करो
1 give me a minute 1 2 3 4 ये
1
Get
स्क्वायर
the
काउंट
picture
करो
properly.
ये होता 1 2 5
नहीं 5 नहीं है काउंट करो स्टार्टिंग से
यहाँ से 1
1
2 3 4 5 6 7 8
7. कितने?
7.
7.
7. 7.
See, one more big square is also there. Akib.
Which one? 1, 2, 3. Oh, 5. 1.
Can you see this a big square?
Okay, big square.
मैम ने आपको पूछा मैं म्यूट तो करूं बिट्टू तो आगे पकड़ो ऐसे पकड़ो इसको होल्ड है
So how many total square is there?
8.
Yes.
8.
wait ma'am is asking from you
Yes.
Akib, how many squares are there?
बोलो ना आप. 8 बोलो.
8.
Is
वो
it?
क्या क्या?
Is he right? No. See it carefully.
I hate it.
Akib, you have to count. Okay?
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9.
Count.
See, Akib, Sheenu ma'am will keep the cursor and you count.
Okay, Akib, you have to count.
Okay.
Can you see this arrow?
दिख रहा है. करो उसको 1.
Now count.
1.
Okay, now speak.
Speak loudly.
1, 2,
Yes.
3, 4, 5,
Wait. Let
6,
6 and
7.
7.
7. And this big one is
8.
8. So total we are having 8 squares.
Say yes.
Okay. The next shape is circle.
who is going to count the circle?
And yes, Sarah, now you will count.
बताओ सर्किल काउंट करो
Circle. 1,
नहीं नीचे नहीं काउंट करो इससे ऊपर करो बताओ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 कितने 9 लाउड
Okay. So total we are having
9.
9. 9 circles.
Very nice.
Very good. Next, Ustad. She has drawn the picture also. Ustad, the next shape is triangle. Now you have to count the triangles.
One,
Everyone, you are writing in your notebook now.
3, 4. Next 4.
Oh, good is that.
Yes, we have 4 triangles. Amanat, are you there? Rayan?
Yes.
Rian, the next picture,
Ryan is there.
it is a rectangle. Count the number of rectangles in the picture.
4. 4.
How many? Yes,
After
Rian.
again, Ryan.
4.
4.
4.
What he's saying, I'm not getting.
What is he saying?
1. And
Rian, you
1.
are saying
I'm
4.
saying 1 or 4?
1.
1.
Yes.
1. He's saying 1. Okay.
How, Rian?
Can anyone else who will count this these rectangles? Amir, will you count it? Amna?
Rian, are you sure we are having only one rectangle?
Yes.
Who is going to give the correct answer?
Heenal?
Yes, Heenal. Where is she? Yes, Heenal.
Yes, Heenal, count.
1, 2, 3, 2.
इधर देखो, ये लो काउंट करो. Louder. Louder.
Oh, ma'am.
4.
4.
Yes.
Okay.
Correct?
Yes.
मम्मा बच्चे जो वादा बना लो उसमें.
Okay. We have 4 rectangles.
All these shapes. She counted and written her notebook.
बताओ ये dot point.
Okay, now. Everyone has done this activity in your notebook?
इधर.
Okay, what will be the interesting fact of today?
Share.
Just raise your hands or do thumbs up. Who will be telling the new interesting fact?
Ma'am, that day I think Amanat was wanting to share.
But where is Amanat?
Amanat.
Ma'am, what do you have to share?
Second, please share in the group because it's a webinar. We are not seen class.
Yes, Amanat, speak.
Did not on the fly. This first leader wanted.
Amanat, come closer to the camera and speak properly.
अभी क्या लिखूं? Was
Invented
in
in 1940.
1940.
Amanat, I'm not able to hear it properly.
Yes. Amanat, speak again.
Yes, Rayan.
Or you can ask your mama to write it in the chat box.
First computer.
Yes, Ryan, you also want to tell the interesting fact?
No.
वेयर नाम को आपने बोला कि आप बताओगे इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट बताओ हाँ व्हाट स्पाइडर मैम को बात करो बेटा मैम से मैम ने आपको म्यूट किया बोला मैं आपको बोलूं देखो सर लगेगा इधर आओ इधर आओ बेटा मेरे भाई को टेस्ट भी कराना है जल्दी करो स्पाइडर है देखिए मैम से बात करो No, he is not talking to you. And he says कि I will tell the instruction. Ma'am, he says
What do you want to say? Don't hesitate, you can speak.
He says spider. Ma'am, he says spider.
Spider.
After spider?
Yes, ma'am. Spider has 8 legs.
Spider has 8 legs.
And insects have 6 legs. 6.
Where is Amanat?
She got disconnected.
Akib, we were having 4 rectangles, okay? Fine. Chalo, okay everyone. Now let's wind up this session. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay everyone? Bye-bye.
Hi everyone.
Take care. We'll meet tomorrow now.